You probably think your body has one job, and that is keeping you alive. Wrong. Because while you're sitting here watching this video, your body is doing some absolutely gross things right fucking now. You're just lucky it knows what it's doing. Otherwise, you would be dead. Let's begin. Number 10. You're swallowing mucus. Now, your nose isn't just making boogers. It's making slime. Around a liter of mucus every single day. Where does it all go? Down. Yeah, you swallow almost all of it without even noticing. Congratulations. You've probably done it 3 times since this sentence started. Number 9. You're constantly shedding skin. You know those dramatic movie scenes where someone slowly disappears. Well, your body does that too. Just way less dramatically. Every minute, you lose around 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells. By tomorrow, you'll have quietly sprinkled millions of tiny pieces of yourself everywhere. You're basically human glitter, except nobody really wants it. Number 8. Part of the dust in your house is actually you. Remember all those skin cells? They don't just vanish. They pile up under your bed, on your shelves, on your fan, which means every time you say, "Wow, this room is dusty," part of the problem is following you around. Literally. Number 7. Tiny mites live on your face. How about we make sleeping a little less relaxing? Because microscopic mites live inside your pores and around your eyelashes. They come out mostly at night. They spend their time eating dead skin and skin oils. But don't really panic. Almost every adult has them. Sweet dreams. Number 6. Every blink is a cleaning service. Well, you blink around 20,000 times a day. Every blink washes away dirt, dead cells, and tiny bits of debris. Then, your tears carry all of that straight into your nose, which is why when you cry, your nose starts running too. In a way, your face has plumbing. Number 5. Your ears are cleaning themselves. Well, this one is surprisingly polite. Earwax isn't just sitting there. Your ears slowly push it outward, all by themselves. Which means sticking cotton buds deep inside is like interrupting someone halfway through doing the dishes. You're just making the job harder. Number 4. Millions of your cells die every second. Well, this sounds horrifying until you realize they're actually supposed to. Your body has a built-in self-destruct button. Old cells, broken cells, damaged cells, well, they quietly destroy themselves. So, healthier cells can take their place. It's basically the world's most efficient retirement plan. Number 3. Your stomach is trying very hard not to eat itself. Your stomach acid is incredibly powerful. Powerful enough to break down the food you eat every day. The only reason your stomach survives is because it keeps replacing its own protective lining. If it stopped, your stomach would begin digesting your stomach, which feels like poor design. Number 2. Your body creates potentially cancerous cells every single day. Fortunately, your immune system is basically the world's most overqualified security guard. It patrols your body looking for cells that start behaving strangely. Most of them are destroyed before you ever know they existed. Your body has been saving your life without asking for credit. And now, number 1. Your DNA is under attack. Yeah, constantly. Your DNA is damaged tens of thousands of times by normal metabolism, by sunlight, by chemicals, just by existing. Luckily, your cells spend every second repairing that damage, because if they didn't, your body wouldn't last very long. So, while you've been watching this video, your body has been swallowing slime, dropping skin everywhere, hosting microscopic roommates, rebuilding itself, stopping its own stomach from eating itself, and repairing its own instruction manual, all without bothering you. Honestly, your body is disgusting, but it's also pretty incredible.